Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome to Beauties of B. I hope you all are doing well. So I am back with another video. If you have not watched my previous video on Grabox, then please make sure you watch it. I'll give it in the link in the description box below or somewhere on the top. It's an amazing subscription box. First of all, everybody who has watched that video knew that there is a follow-up video coming very soon, because I did mention about the jewelry box there that they have. Now let me just, if you have not watched that video, I'll just tell you what is Grabox all about. It's a subscription box. Apparently, if I'm not wrong, then it is one of the most affordable subscription box with products that are actually very amazing. Very amazing. The products are really nice, worth spending money on. The beauty subscription box, I have done a review on that box. Then please make sure you watch that video. It retails for about 234 or 35 rupees something, and the jewelry subscription box that I'm going to review today right now is for about 349 rupees something. I will leave the link to the site and all the prices in the description box below. Please make sure that you check that. It is very important, so that you get all the information regarding this. Okay, it's little late for the shoot for this video, I know, but I'm really sorry. I received the parcel really late, but the team was very supportive. It's so hot. The team was very supportive. I was constantly in touch with them on Instagram, and they were really trying hard so that I get the product on time. They instantly reply. The best thing is that they respond to the messages. It's not that you have paid already, so they're carefree, like whether you get the product or not, they're least bothered. It's nothing like that. They're very careful about their customers, and they replied to all my messages. There was some miscommunication. The product got misplaced somewhere else, so it was a little delayed. Anyways, this is how the product comes. Like, there's a white cover, and this is how the product looks like. Isn't it gorgeous? I love the packaging. Seriously guys, it is so gorgeous. The packaging itself is beautiful. I really love. Once you open the box, this is how it looks from inside. Oh no, I should not. Okay, there's a card which says Jewellery Grabox. Okay, congratulations on your Jewellery Grabox. This is the April's box. Oh, I need this. This is really getting tough for me to shoot this video. Okay, now coming to the other card that I have, this is the price list of all the products that I have got in this box. So I'll keep it here so that I can mention all the product prices. Okay, inside again, like the jewelry box, you have this yellow bag, which is amazing. I love the color. I really love the color, and there's nothing. And now let's just, without wasting any time, I have done, oh shit. Okay, without wasting any time further, let's just get in the video and see what all I have got in this amazing bag. Okay, the first thing that I have got, I can see, is this handcuff thing. Okay, this is like a handcuff. I love it. It's not gold, it's rose gold in color. So that is the best part. And this retails for about 150 rupees. The next product I have is hair styling kit. This is what it looks like. This one can be used for a bun. This one also can be used for a bun. This is the rat tail comb, which is very handy. If you want to do any kind of hairstyle, rat tail comb really comes handy. This retails for about 160 rupees. Now the next product that I have, I'll see what is this. This is an anklet. Okay, this is an anklet. The anklet retails for about 150 rupees. Yes, the anklet retails. Please excuse my camera today. There's some problem, and I really wanted to shoot this video. Okay, this is really pretty. So pretty. Can you see that? There's small detailing also. So I love this. So this retails for about 150 rupees. Okay, the next product that I have is a box of small earrings. How much is it for? 6 earrings for 200 rupees. Okay, this is not opening. Oh, there is a sellotape. Okay, can you see the product? I hope you can see. I love these two. I love such kind of earrings. There is one small one as well. I love this kind of earrings. It is very handy dandy during the summers. If you just want to put it on with your jeans or a simple top, and you can put this on, it will be it looks very amazing. Okay, the next product that I have are the jhumkis. This retails for about 90 rupees. It is something like this that I have. I love it. I love the color especially. Okay. Oh, I love it. Can you see that? Yes, this is how it looks like. These retails for about 90 rupees. Okay, the next product that I have, that I was exactly what I was wanting, and I was waiting for this product. I saw the review and I love the product beforehand. This is how the neck piece looks like. I'll just remove it so that I can wear it and show it to y'all. No, I cannot wear it this way. It's a little tight for me. Okay, this is how it looks like. Can you see it, guys? I love it. I love this. And even if you don't like the chain, you can change it and wear it with anything of your choice. I might change the chain because it's very whitish, but I love this. I love this detailing. I love this pendant. So I might change the chain and wear it with something else. It's an amazing product. That was my favorite. Okay, next I have, I've dropped something. Next I have is a choker. I'll show you all how the choker looks like. Okay, this is how the choker looks like. Oh, there is a small detailing also. Can you see? Okay, yes, this is how the choker looks like. Next I have, what do I have? I love this piece as well. I have these earrings. They are green in color. See? I love this earring. Seriously. It's so stylish. Last two products that I have are the scissor earrings. Okay, I didn't mention the price, right? I'm so sorry. The jhumkis I said was for 90 rupees. The box of 6-piece earrings were for 200. Party earrings, that was this green one. This retail for 200 rupees. Floral earring was for 50 rupees. This is the floral earring. This is for 50 rupees. And the bracelet was for 150 rupees. Hairstyling kit is for 160 rupees. Anklet 150. Choker 150. Traditional neck piece, the one I love, that is for 300. And scissor earring, which I'm about to show, is for 50 rupees. This is the scissor earring, guys. It's very, very, very cute. Seriously. Okay, like this is amazing. Can you see? This is so cute. Okay, this product retails for again 50 rupees. So the net worth of the product of the box is 1,500 rupees, and you just pay 439 rupees or something for the box. The price, the actual price of the box, I'll mention in the description box. Please excuse me, I might have forgotten the exact price, but it is somewhere 300, 400. I'm sweating so badly because it is extremely hot today, and I really wanted to film this video for you all because it's already late. Anyways, these are all the products. My favorite from the range is this. I love this. I really love this. This and this. I love both the pieces. Seriously. Bracelet is also nice, but this is my most favorite, guys. Seriously, you should try this. This is those junky earrings that you want. This is exactly that. Anyways, with that I come to the end of this video. All the detail of the box will be given in the description box. Please do check the description box. If you're someone visiting my channel for the first time, hello guys, I'm Bernali. I make lifestyle, review, hair care, skin care, and all those kind of videos every week. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, and you don't want to miss any video. So make sure you also notify to my channel. You click on the red bell button so that every time I upload a video, you get a notification. If you like this video, don't forget to hit on the like button and leave your lovely comments in the comment section. If you have any other subscription box which you have tried and you want me to try as well, or you want me to try any subscription box, please mention that. I would love to try that for you all. Without further blabbering, let's just end this video out here. Enjoy the video. I hope you really enjoy the products, because I enjoyed. I really love shooting this video. Most importantly, I love all the products. I was very eagerly waiting for this box. Anyways, so until next time, bye bye, take care, keep smiling.